What's going on, everybody? This is the Fan Dude 21 back once again. And today I bring you a video of a vintage Monarch Aire Box Fan, model ML20P. This is a 2-speed fan, and it dates to around 1970. Monarch Aire basically go hand in hand with Air King, being their parent company. You see a lot of fans made by Air King under the Monarch Aire brand, just like similar to the relationship between Galaxy and Alaska. Here's a badge on the top of the fan. The knob you see on it's not original. It's off of Lakewood, as well as with the handle. On the back side here, all plastic grills throughout. Uses a Macmillan motor. Pretty decent fan overall here. I picked this thing up from a Habitat Restore. I paid about $10 for it. And without further ado, we'll give this thing a demonstration. And we're started up here on low. Seems to have a little bit of a motor buzz. Probably could stand to be revarnished and pretty soon. Otherwise, runs smoothly. I'll take it up to high. Go and shut it off. And that's about it for this video. So I thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video of this Monarch Aire Box Fan model ML20P. Take care.